I have been to events where I have waited for the speaker, and that person shows up late and looks like they just got out of bed. And it made me wonder, does this speaker have respect for their audience? I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. I gotta tell you, it is a must when you are going to speak to an audience to show respect. The way you show respect, aside from being prepared with your speech, is your appearance. You make sure that you look as great as you possibly can. I understand that we all have different income levels, right? But it's important to look presentable, to look clean, to have your hair groomed, and to look as if you want to be there. Because you see, the message that the audience gets when you look disheveled is, oh, I can't wait to finish this gig so I can get out. I tell you, it's true. This is the impression that the audience receives. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. And remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and there to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Until next time.